Two analytics platforms, two very different philosophies. Which one really delivers? On the left, Fathom Analytics, privacy-focused, fast, and refreshingly simple. And on the right, Looker Studio, Google's powerhouse for flexible, customizable data visualization. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which analytics tool takes the crown in 2025. The result might surprise you. So before we get all deep, let's map out what we're comparing today. We've got pricing, privacy, analytics and insights, performance and speed, visualization and customization, and integrations and ecosystem. Ready? Let's get into it. All right, first up, let's talk pricing, because money matters, right? So with Fathom Analytics, you're looking at super straightforward, usage-based pricing starting at $14 a month. And honestly, they don't nickel and dime you for users or dashboards. You get all their features in one tidy package. But heads up, the price climbs if your website starts getting big traffic, and slightly annoying, you'll pay extra if you run tons of sites. Now, flip to Looker Studio and wow, it's free. Like, totally free for everyone. You can make unlimited reports, connect all the data you want, add as many users, no hidden costs. Only catch, some fancy connectors and support aren't free, but for everyday use, you're set. So overall, Fathom keeps it simple, but Looker Studio takes the win on sheer value if you need lots of dashboards. Next up, privacy. Big topic, especially these days. With Fathom Analytics, they're legit privacy fanatics. No cookies, no personal data, no weird tracking. And honestly, no pop-ups asking users for cookie consent. They're fully compliant with GDPR and all that stuff right out of the gate. Of course, it comes with a trade-off. You're not getting deep insights about individual users. Now, Looker Studio does let you anonymize stuff and work with Google's privacy settings, which is kind of cool. But cookie consent can get messy if you add certain connectors. And yeah, it's part of the Google empire, so your data may not be as private as you hope. So for privacy, Fathom wins hands down. Now, let's talk analytics and insights. This is where things get spicy. With Fathom, you get the essentials: page views, referrers, top content, and it's super easy to see everything in real time. Plus, your data sticks around basically forever. But if you want to dig deep, segment users, or run fancy custom reports, not really gonna happen. Flip over to Looker Studio and it's like night and day. You get crazy deep data modeling, custom dashboards, can pull info from hundreds of places, not just websites, and moving charts around feels like playing with Lego. Super customizable. Caveat, learning curve is steep, and you might feel overwhelmed if you're new, but Looker Studio totally owns in this category.
Oh, and here's something cool you might not know.
Fathom Analytics doesn't store any personal data at all. That's not just marketing spin. It's why it's super popular, especially in Europe with all those strict GDPR rules. Performance and speed. Gotta love tools that don't leave you hanging. Fathom Analytics is lightning quick. Real-time dashboards, lightweight tracking so your site loads fast. Oh, but you won't get a million chart styles. Just the basics. Looker Studio is built for big, messy data, handles massive volumes, runs on responsive cloud gear. But honestly, sometimes those fancy reports take a while to refresh, especially if you're pulling data from all sorts of places. Fathom wins for speed and snappiness, especially for smaller sites. Here's where designers and data geeks might split: visualization and customization. Fathom keeps it super minimalist. You get what you need, no fuss. Pre-built dashboards that just work. No custom layouts, no extra widgets, simple. If you want bells and whistles, Looker Studio does it all. Custom graphs, layouts, widgets, maps, you name it. Of course, with great power comes setup time and sometimes confusion, but that flexibility is wild. If you're all about visuals and want to make things your own, Looker Studio is your winner. Okay, last one. Integrations and ecosystem. Fathom gives you easy CMS integration, lets you export your data and email reports, but honestly, it's focused on websites. If you need data from ads, social, spreadsheets, Looker Studio is just wow. It connects to basically everything: Google Ads, Analytics, Facebook, BigQuery, Sheets, you name it. You can even bring in outside APIs, though sometimes there's a little extra cost for third-party stuff. Looker Studio is the clear champ here for anyone juggling lots of data sources and platforms. Let's zoom out for a sec and look at our comparison radar chart. you can practically see that Fathom rules at privacy and speed, while Looker Studio spikes on analytics power, visual chops, and integrations. So, what's the takeaway? If you're after privacy, ease, and just want clean, simple website stats without fussing over compliance or crazy data, Fathom Analytics is your friend. But if you hyperventilate over dashboards, want to connect every possible data source, and need deep, customizable reporting, Looker Studio just wins. No contest. Still stuck on which analytics tool to pick? Here's the bottom line. Grab Fathom for privacy and simplicity, or jump into Looker Studio for that powerful, customizable dashboard magic.